Welcome traders to this video where we're going to be interviewing Ryan and looking at how he got to the level 2 funded account. Yeah, so Ryan, where are you trading from then? Where in the world are you?
I'm in Cornwall in the UK,
Nice.
down the
Okay.
southwest, right down the bottom.
So how long have you been trading in the market?
Well, about 1 to 2 years, really, just on and off. I've never really had time because of other jobs and such, but I recently jumped more into it because I sort of lost my job, got made redundant. So I was like, now's my chance to really push on with it.
Right, okay. Because you're still relatively young, aren't you?
Yeah, 20, yeah.
Yeah.
Well, about to turn 21.
So would you say about what 1 year roughly about that in the market then?
Yeah, 1 year in the market, yeah.
Is it all Forex or is it other markets or?
Yeah, mainly Forex. I've never really done much with the other sides of stocks or crypto. Nothing really with that.
Right. Okay. And in terms of the prop firm world, like getting funded, have you
Yep.
used other prop firms before?
No, never used any other ones before.
Right. Okay. And how come you chose us?
Well, I was watching a few videos on YouTube about certain things, and I found a few American firms, but the whole dollar situation wasn't really beneficial to me being in the UK. So I searched up you guys, and decided to give you a go.
It's good to hear. It's good to hear.
Yeah,
Because obviously we're still a fairly fresh prop firm into the
yeah,
market, but we are rapidly growing, and there's traders from all around the world that is trading with us now, moving through the levels.
okay, that's good. Yeah.
And yeah, so what would your experience with us so far? What's it been like in terms of your trading platform? You know, the actual account, and
Yeah, it's been really good from what I've
yeah,
had so far. I mean, I had a few questions from day one, and they was all answered, and I had loads of help with setting up my account and such. And
yeah,
it's been easy, no problems at all,
excellent,
no
excellent,
delays. It's been really good.
excellent. So we'll have a look at some of your trades then. Obviously, you signed up for the aggressive account, so
Yep,
obviously slightly bigger profit target in order to
yep,
get to that next level, which you did in fact achieve.
yep,
627. So if we have a look at your advanced statistics, so total trades 15. Okay, we can see average profit, average loss. It all looks good, and the profit factor is above 2, which
yep.
is fantastic. Would you say what would you say your main trading style is?
So what I really do is I mark up on a 1 hour chart, highs and lows, and
Okay.
then sort of on your five. I tend to use the 5 minute time frame.
Okay.
With
Well. Yeah.
free moving averages of 21, 50, and then 200.
Right.
And then when it goes obviously below all three moving averages, I'll sell. When it
Okay.
goes
So
above,
crossover points.
yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Cool. So yeah, and also what's good to see about your account is that even though it's an aggressive account, you've still used stop
Yep.
loss on all of your trades.
Yeah, I still do.
We don't. So that's one of the rules that we have with the aggressive account is that traders, if they want to, they don't have to use stop losses because it is a more aggressive approach to
Yeah,
trading.
makes sense.
But we always recommend traders use stop losses anyway because it's very difficult to
Yeah,
control the risk without one. Because when you
yeah,
have a
exactly.
trade on without a stop loss, I mean, it sounds silly, but you can't actually manage the risk at all, can you? Because it's like the
No.
emotions come into play then, and it's like how long
Yeah,
do you actually hold
exactly.
the trade for?
And you can wait for it to see if it's going to come back down, and it could go the complete opposite way.
Yeah, it could keep going into loss and further
Yeah,
loss.
yeah,
But I can
exactly.
see that the risk is managed very well. The losses are kept down.
Yep.
Um, and yeah, it does look really good. Would you say
Perfect.
you've got a favorite instrument to trade?
Yeah, gold. I do like gold.
Okay, yeah. And
Yeah.
you've also traded the, I think, is it one indice and then the rest are currency pairs?
Yes.
Yeah, it's also good to see that the list of instruments isn't a huge amount as well.
Yeah, I've sort of tried to narrow it down to like a top 5 really.
Yeah, yeah. Keep it
But I just
simple,
try to
really.
stick with
That's
that.
all I'd say
Yeah,
moving forward.
yeah,
Because a lot of people think that you kind of cut your potential in the market by just narrowing your pairs down to just a few, really. But
yeah,
really, you're getting more clarity out of them, and you're going to
yeah,
be able to
exactly. You learn
understand
how
them.
things tend to move as well.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, and if you was to increase this list of instruments, I think that you'd probably see slightly different results, probably in the negative side.
Yeah,
So I
definitely.
definitely just keep at this moving forward.
Yep,
This is your next account size. So obviously, you're going to be trading a £10,000 account now.
yep.
And then once you hit your profit target again, we're going to double it to 20,000. And then
Yep.
every single time you reach that profit target, 25%, we'll double it all the way up to 1 million. Which
Oh,
is the
sweet.
same
Okay.
as the all of the other accounts on the funding levels page on our website.
Yep.
And yeah, so obviously, in terms of like the low risk and the aggressive program,
Yep.
traders often scale quicker through the low risk because it is a smaller profit target of the 10%.
Yeah.
Whereas the aggressive, it can take a little bit longer because it's 25%. But
Yep.
the aggressive program, I'd say, offers more space for the trader, because obviously you can create a small buffer of drawdown,
Yep.
and then you can go a little bit, attack those trades a little bit more and go in a little bit more
Yeah.
aggressive. You might want to push it up to 2% if you've got enough room. I wouldn't
Yep.
suggest going in at 2% risk, but yeah, definitely offers much more room. What would you say your goals are then moving forward? Obviously, you're going to be trading a £10,000 account with us now.
Yeah. Well, obviously it is I want to hit the target. Well, no rush. I don't need to do it quick. I just
Yep.
sort of want to make a career for myself really in it, because I really enjoy doing it, and I feel like I could make something for myself doing it.
Excellent. Yeah.
Yeah.
I think if you continue the way that you've been doing, I think you've got no problem in hitting the next target
Yeah.
and progressing on. Obviously, you're a level 2 trader now. So overall, obviously, we can see that your prior account didn't go into drawdown at all, really. You just kind of
Yep.
went straight up.
Yep.
Would you say that there's a strict trading plan that you follow just for, like other traders? Is there a strict like practice that you follow when you wake up in the morning and then you open up your laptop or you go on your computer? What would you
Honestly,
say the
I'm still
process
trying
is?
to get properly into one, like a proper trading plan, because obviously it's
Right.
quite fresh to me doing it properly all day now. But
Okay.
yeah, I try to wake up, just hit the chart straight away, and then. But
Yeah.
once I place my trades, I sort of tried to take myself away from them.
Right. Give yourself some
Just
room away from the market, like away from the
because
charts. Yeah.
you find if you watch yourself, then your emotions get too involved. That's what I find anyway.
Definitely.
So
That's
if
what
I
I
forget,
found. Yeah.
yeah, then I'll check on it every so often just to see how it's going.
Right. Okay.
And then yeah, but yeah,
So,
still trying to come up with like a routine for myself, really.
right. I'd recommend definitely doing some journal work.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Like
Yeah, I did
just
think about that.
yeah, even like a separate journal just for like the psychology and your emotions, how
Yeah.
you're feeling. Because it's not really like with trading, it's not really a load of hard work. It's just more mental game and
Yeah, it is
sort of like
definitely. That's what I
refining your
found.
strategies. So
Yeah.
obviously it's all about the preparation, because trading, finding a trade, obviously you got to break down the chart and do your technical analysis, find out where a pair is going to be going. But other than that, you
Yep.
just put the trade on and there's nothing really else to do. So definitely, definitely look
Yeah.
to, build upon a trading plan so it
Yeah,
can be
definitely.
um, consistent and reliable for you long term. But
Yeah.
from what I've seen so far, obviously it all looks good. Losses are
Yep.
low, what we like to see, and um, it's over a large sample size of trades.
Yep.
If this total trades amount said like 5 or 10, then obviously it means that you're risking
Too
higher,
much.
or yeah, you're trying to
Yeah.
quickly rush a target. Whereas 50 trades to that it seems a good number really to me, especially
Yep.
for this style account, and especially the profit factor as well.
Perfect.
So yeah, it all looks good.
Yeah, thank you as well for having a chat with me.
Yeah, it's I always find it quite inspiring to look at these good results, because it is very difficult to obviously be a profitable trader. Obviously,
Yeah,
you've been trading for 1 year and you kind of got a really good system. It seems to be a good system in play at the moment.
yep,
So continue it with your level 2 account, and I'm sure we'll be speaking again for the level 3 account.
awesome. Thank you very much.
All right. Well, take care, Ryan, and thank you for
Yeah,
coming on.
you too.